I think today's going to be the day. I think we're finally going to get that cylinder head off. A couple things I have to do. Need to clean out that, because that's gross. And because as garages are, things start piling up and they need a home. So I replaced the tubes for this top one, so it's quite a bit brighter in here. Oddly enough, that seems to be brighter than that one. But either way, it works. And then I have to clear off my parts shelf because, as you can see, it's completely full. This down here is the subwoofer box that used to be in the on the trunk of the Z. And all that stuff is not necessary now, so that's going to go up in the attic. But I'm fairly confident that we'll be able to get through all of this today. So why don't we go ahead and get started. So yeah, I stacked the lower plant on top of some tools, but now we have some room. I'm debating if I should just shift everything up one level. Because now if I go down, you know, this is first thing, second thing, third thing. Actually, not quite that, but nah, I guess it really doesn't matter. So we'll just stack things up there now. Get that out. Looks like carpet. Yeah, looks like carpet. Let's see how thick that is. Wow. Alright, let's get that vacuum in there. Oh, get the stick out. Look at that. How did that get in there? right, much better. All right, so there's a pine needle or something there. All right, let's get started on those exhaust nuts. All right, you can see here, we're going to take all these off. So there's 3 exhaust pipes coming out of this one, so 2 each. And if I can get it to focus, something like that. There we go. I don't know how I'm going to get to the other ones. I'm hoping there's enough room on the top and underneath. But you can see how tight of a fit this is. But let's see what we can do. And so it's a really tight angle. However, I might be able to hit it with the universal joint. Where's the other one? Oh yeah, that one's pretty rusted. But anyway, that's where we're at. And thankfully we have quite a bit of room here. I'll probably end up having to take this section of the exhaust off too. I think it's just 3 on this one. It's not too bad. The other one, it broke one of the bolts, so it's got a bit of a jerry-rig situation. But at least with this, we can work with it. So I'm going to focus on getting those out. Almost there. Exhaust is loose. So hopefully when we unseat all this, everything will kind of wiggle its way out. It's a strange little bolt right here. That's part of the cylinder head. I'm not really sure what this is, but it's long. It's in a weird spot. Okay. Now we got to get the tools for the back. It's going to be one of these guys. How are you supposed to take this off without breaking it? I'm going to say it's probably this one here. It's 12. Okay. That's not what I wanted. There we go. Let's see. No way. No way. With the camshaft in place, I can't reach it. Oh no, no, no. Nope. I don't have enough clearance. And plus I think this is too big. Yeah, let's try 11. Alright, let's see. Let's see how this works. Wow. Wow, that's not budging. Let's try this one. All right, let's get the impact wrench going on here. That's crazy. What happened here? All right. Of course, comes off inside. Let's try that by hand. Let's see. Ouch. Oh. Okay. There's that one. think there's anything else holding it. Let's see if we can pry it off a little bit. Dropping coolant. Hold on. There she is. It's coming loose. I feel like she's hitting something on this side. Man. It's like, there we go, there we go. Something's still attached to it. What is this? What's still attached? It's still attached. Oh, nothing on that side. It's just coming out of this bracket. This bracket's holding on. There we go. There we go. And then I think there we go. Wow. There's that. And then there's this. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's take off that relocated knock sensor. 14. right, here we go. We ready? Ouch! Man, that's heavy. Wow. Uh-oh. Hold on. I lost one. Man. Ooh. Yeah, let's get a closer look. There it is. There's the problem. Yeah, look at the chunk it took out of that piston. Look at that. Man. Well, you can see that it took a chunk out of the piston. Here's the other one. Wow, look at all this debris. But yeah, took a major chunk out of that. This side. I don't really see anything on the rim, but look at all that. Woo. Here's a little nest I was telling you about. Look at that. What happened there? That sucks. I think that's where... Is that where those bolts were going? No. What is that? Why is that like that? Look at that. It's not threaded. See, there's the other one. That tells me maybe this head has been off before. Maybe. Well, get a better look at that carbon buildup I was talking about. All right, let's take a look at this guy. Can I balance this up? Let's see. See if we can do this one-handed. Yeah, there's the damage. Ooh, look at that. Looks like it scraped. It was just enough out of alignment that the piston hit those just a little bit. So probably all those need to be replaced. Look at the chunk out of that. And the stems. Wow. Well, but to be honest, oh, that seat. Yeah, you can see the seat is a little bit dinged up, but not too bad. On that side is not too bad either. You know, I don't see any other damage anywhere. This might be salvageable. Let me know what you think. I mean, to me, that doesn't seem too bad. But it probably would be a good idea to replace all of those. I was hoping it was just going to be these. I think they were about $11 or $12 a piece. So not a big deal. But she's finally out. Man, what a pain this has been. Oh. The damage isn't as bad as I thought it was. Just thankfully that one cylinder, but you can see that some of the other valves look like they kissed the piston as well, so we'll have to check all that, but I think that's good for now. I think we'll call it for today. We'll see you next time.